Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. Hey, everybody, get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. I'm back with another crochet stitch, and this is called the cross double crochet stitch. I already created an outfit with it. It looks like that. It's so pretty. It's very sturdy. I like that. It's lacy. I like that. So it looks like that. Look how pretty that is. So let's get started. Get excited. So what you're going to need, you're going to start out with a foundation chain, which I already did. I started out a foundation chain with 20 plus 2. So you want to do it in twos. And then I created my first row is double crochets like that. Okay, so you can do double crochet or single crochets, half double crochets. I'm sorry, this is half double crochets, not double crochet, half double crochet. So I did it like that. It depends on what kind of outfit you're making. Okay, so then after I created that first row, I chained up 3. And what I'm going to do here, you're going to skip the first stitch. You make a double crochet right in the second stitch, like so. Then what you're going to do now, after you skip the stitch that you skip, you're going to go in. You're going to go behind the first stitch, the second stitch that you made, and you're going to create a double crochet in the second stitch, in the first stitch, I'm sorry, like so. And that's going to give you the cross double crochet stitch. So let me do it again for you guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to skip this stitch right here. I'm going to skip that. And I'm going to go into the next one behind that, the second stitch. And I'm going to do a double crochet. So let's do the double crochet. Like so. I'm used to doing triple crochet. Excuse me, folks. So you're going to chain over 1 and do a double crochet. Chain over 1. Go into the stitch. Pull out over. Like so. Okay, so now the stitch that you skipped, you're going to do a double crochet, but you're going to go behind the stitch like that, pull behind the double crochet and pull through the stitch that you skipped, and you're going to pull out, and then you're going to create that double crochet like that, and that's going to give you your cross double crochet stitch, and it looks like that. Okay, so let's try it again. Skip this stitch, go into the next one, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet. So now you're going to go back 1, go into that stitch that you skipped, do another double crochet, and that give you the cross double crochet. I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see. So I want to make sure you get it. So double crochet, skip the stitch, skip that stitch there. So skip this stitch here, go into the next one, do a double crochet, like so. Go back to the stitch that you skipped, do a double crochet into that one, and that's going to give you a cross double crochet, like that. I love the stitch. I have fun making this outfit, and I think I'm going to use the stitch a lot now that it's getting fall. It's lacy, but it's sturdy. It's a little more thicker that you can wear in the fall and the winter time. I love lacy garments. So I'm going to do it again one more time for you guys to see. So if you have not done so already, check out my other stitch tutorials, and check out my other fashions and makeup and beauty. That's what my channel is all about, fashion and beauty. Check that out. See, look how pretty that looks. Let's try it again. So check it out. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Thumbs up the video. Hit the notification ring-a-ding button. Make sure you click on the all so that you can get all my notifications, because YouTube has changed. So no one knows now when you upload a video if they're not checking their page. So to get notifications when I drop a video, hit the notification button. Okay, folks, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. I love this. Oh my God. I'm gonna go all the way to the end. Okay, so we're at the second row. So we're gonna chain up 3 instead of 2. So chain up 3. So you're gonna skip these 2 stitches here. 1, 2. You're gonna go into the 3rd stitch and do a double crochet here. Like so. Then you're gonna go back to the stitch that you skipped. You're gonna do another double crochet. Go like that. Pull through. And that's gonna create this cross double crochet stitch. Okay, so you have it like that. So now to the next stitch, you have 2 stitches here. You're gonna skip this one and you're gonna go into that one. So you're gonna double crochet, then you're gonna go back to the stitch that you skipped and do another double crochet. You're gonna cross it over, go behind, pull up, double crochet. And it looks like that. Let me show you one more time. Okay, so you're going to skip this stitch here and you're going to go into this one to do a double crochet. This is so pretty. I love it. It's lacy, it's thick. It's good for the fall and the winter time. The double crochet, go behind like so. Okay, so we're moving along. So skip this stitch, go into that one, do a double crochet. Go back to the stitch that you skipped, do another double crochet, go behind it, pull it up. There you go. That's your cross double crochet stitch. All right, and you do that all the way to the end. Get excited. We're at the end. So this is what it looked like so far. So this is the end of the second row. So continue on. Double crochet right here. Go back, double crochet. I'm left-handed, folks. Like so. Now when you get to the end, very end here, don't forget to do double crochet. Like so. Wow, I love this. I'm going to have fun doing this stitch. Wow. Now, chain up 3 and then continue on your project. Like I said earlier, if you're a beginner, I would recommend you chain up 2, then do half double crochets going across. Let me show you how that look. I'm going to just do it halfway. So let me just, instead of 3, let me just chain up 2 so you can see what that look like. So I chained up 2, turn my work. And we're going to half double crochet. Skip this, go in here. You're just going to half double crochet all the way across. And it makes it easier for beginners so that they won't, you know, be confused. And you just do half a double crochet going all the way across, folks. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited, folks. Get excited about life. So let me know what you guys want me to do next. I know I was supposed to come back and do some tutorials on my outfits. Just bear with me, folks. I'll get to it. Just drop it in the comment section what you would like to see next. I'm going to come back and do some makeup looks as well. Get excited, everybody. So I'm excited about that. So you go all the way down to the end. All the way to the end. Let me speed this up, because I don't want the video to be too long. Right, folks? Please share my video. Share it out. I think I'm at 1,060 followers. Let's get this video up. Let's get my page up to at least 2,000 in October. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. There we go. So we at the end. Hit that last stitch there. There's one more after that. It's this one right here. Make sure you go all the way to the end. Now, we're all the way here. So that's what it looks like with the half double crochet stitch. Like so. Alrighty, folks. So you chain up 2. chain up 3 this time to do your next row for your cross double crochets. Okay, after you chain up 3, we're going to skip the stitch here, skip this one, and we're going to go into the third one to create our cross double crochet. And we're going to do a double crochet stitch, and then go back 1 like so, pull through, and that create your cross double crochet stitch. So you want to skip the next stitch, go into that stitch, create a double crochet like so, double crochet in the next stitch, you go behind like that, pull through, and that will give you your cross double crochet stitch. Let me show you one more time. Skip this stitch, go into the next one, double crochet. Now go behind it, go back to the next stitch, double crochet. And guess what? You created your double crochet stitches. Get excited, everybody. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Let me do one more stitch for you so you guys can really see it clearly. Skip the stitch here, go into the next one, double crochet. Go back 1. Sorry, go back 1. And there you got it. You got it, folks. So that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Try it and tell me what you think. Until next time, everybody, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited about life and believe something good is going to happen for you. So this is what it really looks like. This is the skirt that I created. Have a great one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get excited, folks. Later, later, later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment below, and on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.